Hey, this will be a video chart on CEMJQ, Chemtura Corporation, longtime follower of this one. And this move from down here where it bounced off the 200-day simple moving average, this orange line, continues to go up. Today, awesome volume, and better yet, you had the good price action. It gapped up quite a bit, made a run, and then did have some profit takers knock it back down in the latter portions of the day. But overall, nice green day, and deserves a chart update now that we've gotten up above a resistance level. So that's what this video will be, just kind of updating the chart and what's going on in terms of support, resistances, and stuff like that. So let's just dig in. These lines that you see here are from the previous times I've done the chart. I can't remember exactly the last day I did it. I think one of these days over here when we had one of these bigger volume days. And then it's kind of gone sideways here, consolidated, but as can be seen after today, this whole move in here, whole consolidation effort right here has proven to be healthy. And for the people that were patient and were loading up right around here, today was kind of payday for them. And whether or not they took profits, I don't know. But like I said, from the charting perspective, this little about 2 week period here has shown to be very profitable for those that participated in it. So the first thing that needs to be updated is simply this line here. This was a key resistance level. You can see that the price tried to get through it a couple times, both here and here, and could never quite do it. But today, gapped actually up above it and never even touched it. So a nice sign of strength here. So this now needs to be turned to a support level, because when resistances are broken, they become supports. So this level here, which was at right around $1.13, $15, whatever you want to call it, is now a support level. What I'm going to do with this one is just kind of get this support level out of here, because if the price falls all the way back down there, that's something's just not right. But the new key support level now that I'm looking at is simply kind of a zone almost. We have this level here, which I'm going to turn into a thicker line to demonstrate it being more of an important support level. But also, if you look right below it, and hopefully you don't have to squint too hard, but we have this purple line there. This is the 50-day simple moving average, and the 50-day and 200-day are both very important moving averages, just because everybody pretty much has them on their chart. So they do have the dynamic of being a self-fulfilling prophecy. Right now, the 50-day is valued at 91 cents. This low here is at 93. So we can say between 90 to 93 cents is a very important support level. And what I mean by that is, let's say the price does fall all the way down here. This would be a big fall, and if this is a true strong move and if the trend is remaining intact, people should be wanting to gobble up shares at this level here. Will the price fall down here? Who knows? Hopefully, this support level holds here before heading back up. But if the price were to fall back down here, you do want to see it hold strong. If not, then that is where I would start to rule kind of a broken chart where the trend has been, kind of violated, and that's obviously not what we want. Now on the flip side of the coin, where are the resistance levels? Well, we do have one here that was put in pretty much based off of, let me lower this down and you can see kind of where it came in at. But we had a couple highs right here at a $1.30, and yes, today it did go up and hit a $1.32. But these two levels here are going to be kind of a stubborn little resistance. I'm going to leave it a skinny line though, just because I think with another powerful surge, this won't put up much of a fight. But the big resistance, and this is what I like to call a pay-per-view battle. You grab some popcorn. This should be a pretty good showdown. Is just simply the previous high from back here in October. If we pull up and make the chart skinnier, you can see that this is pretty much the high of highs. It hasn't been this high for a long time, and that's kind of the next key spot. So this high is valued at $1.48. So I'll change that to red, but I'm going to make it a thick one to represent this being a very important and very crucial resistance. If the bulls can get through that, then that's just going to make the chart look like a beast. But one step at a time. First, we need to see if the bulls can get above and maintain above this level here. But maybe have some consolidation here before heading back up. But the past two consolidation periods, both here and then here, have proven to be very healthy. So if it does start to go sideways or anything, I wouldn't freak out or anything, because you do have some nice history in these two spots here. So overall, chart is looking very nice. If there are any other questions on it, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you will get a free ebook. Sorry if I just repeated myself, had a little interruption there. But yeah, check out the website, sign up, and with that you'll get penny stocks up to big boards, good variety, and everything's free. So it's worth at least checking out and giving it a try and signing up. So one more time, this was Chemtura Corporation, CEMJQ. Thanks for listening.